Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of your Xbox Series S. First, let's talk about placement. It's crucial to position your console in a spot with excellent airflow. Make sure there are at least 4 to 6 inches of clear space around all sides of the console. This prevents heat buildup, which can significantly impact performance and longevity. Never place it inside an enclosed cabinet or stack other devices on top of it, as this restricts vital ventilation. Next, let's discuss keeping your console clean. Dust is a major enemy of electronics, so regularly wipe down the exterior and vents with a soft, dry microfiber cloth. For those harder-to-reach areas, a can of compressed air can be very effective. Use short bursts to gently clear dust from the vents, holding the can upright. Remember, never use liquid cleaners, harsh chemicals, or abrasive materials directly on your Xbox Series S. Now, let's cover power and storage. Always connect your Xbox Series S to a reliable surge protector. This simple step can protect your console from unexpected power surges or fluctuations, which could otherwise cause damage. Try to avoid frequently unplugging the console directly from the wall outlet, as this can sometimes lead to data corruption. Also, regularly manage your storage. By uninstalling games you no longer play to keep about 100 gigabytes free. Finally, let's talk about software maintenance. Keeping your Xbox Series S operating system and all your games updated is essential for optimal performance and security. Updates often include bug fixes and performance enhancements. Performing regular system restarts, perhaps once every few days, can help clear temporary data and improve overall responsiveness. If you notice any unusual behavior or error messages, address them promptly to prevent potential issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.